2015, 16, and 17 Toyota Camry front bumper. This is part 2. I already got the bumper off and assembled. I'm going to be putting these covers on down here. These are the bottom skin plate, gravel guards, whatever. Here's the part numbers for them. Links in the description and in the comments, so check for that to get these. I'm going to be putting these on. Didn't originally come with that on. Got ripped off at some point, so I'm going to put that on. Again, this is part 2, so if you are looking for part 1, I suggest you go watch that. I'm going to show you how to take it off in part 1. This is part 2. So basically, once we get everything all together, we're going to just carefully, patiently bring this over and line it all up. The most important part is get it tucked under the headlight housings and then the sides. Don't push it in the sides first thing. You want to actually line it up first before you do that, and start from the inside and work your way towards the outside to push it in on the outside brackets. Should be like that. Should snap in place. If you have worn out brackets, it might sag or not be completely, perfectly flush, but hopefully yours pops in good. Just get them as best you can. I recommend try not to be taking these in and out constantly, because it's going to wear out the tabs on the bumper and the brackets. Just try to do your best to get it right the first time, but if not, you could do it another time. And then basically it's everything just going back together. I'm going to put these clips in right here, just so it'll hold the bumper in place and I don't have to worry about it. These you push the bottom in first, and then once the bottom part is in, you can push the top down to lock it in place, and then that'll hold your bumper still so you can focus on everything else. The center one here, and yeah, so basically, you guys get it. Just put all your clips back into place, all your bolts that you took out. We're putting them all back in now, pretty much the reverse of the part 1 video. The fender liner goes on the inside of the bumper, and then this clip, the bumper will go into this little slit in that clip right there, and then your push pin will go in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up how it's supposed to look. This will push onto here. It's kind of a weird clip. I've never really got these, like why they did this, but they work. Well, if you get them in the right way, then it'll hold the bumper in place. And then like I said, the inner fender liner is going to go inside the bumper like that, and then once it's in place, you can put your clips back in. This is the little the pin that goes in the middle, and then you rotate it horizontal, I believe, to lock it into place. Sometimes it could be stubborn going in. Try not to just lose your patience and smash it, because it'll bend and break. And then this one takes this odd clip right here. I'm going to try to put these in the description, because they always break, they're always worn out, and when you have a fresh new one, it's so much easier just to push it in. Just push the bottom part in and then push the center piece in, and that's it. Locked in place. Now do that for the other side as well, and then that's it, guys. Your bumper should be pretty much together. Like I said, you got to do your own clips and all that stuff that you took out. We're gonna plug in the bottom lights here, these blinker bulbs. I forget if these are the blinker assemblies or the fog light assemblies, my bad, but you just plug those connectors in like that. This is an easy thing to forget. I see people forget this sometimes. Alright, we'll get these plugged in, and that's it for those. And then the bottom gravel guard is right here. It's going to connect with these little white square pieces that go along the bottom. Most of the time these are falling off or broke. Make sure you get these screws taken out right here, because they're going to connect to right there too. Again, here's the part number, and put the left hand side on first. How this works is it'll tuck in and then go over, tuck in and go over. That's how it works on the outside, and that's how it's supposed to look right here. And then they'll connect in the middle. One of them will lay over the other one in the middle part, and then they also have these little push pin clips too. I'll try to put some parts in the description for you guys, but yeah, after you get that on, we're gonna don't forget these 2 bolts right here. I'll be honest, I kind of forgot about them. We'll get that in, and then get the other one in, just like that. Tighten these down, and all your bolt holes and clips and stuff, the holes should be pretty much lined up. You shouldn't be having to like stretch the bumper to make things fit. Obviously there might be like 1 or 2 that you need to do that a little bit, but nothing crazy on each one or nothing like that. Here's our license plate bracket. Go ahead and just line this up. It should just mount up to those same holes that were already there. If you have a new grill for some reason, there should be dimples there to show you where to put that license plate frame. they're little dimples that are being the screw spots. They're kind of small. You got to look for them. And then we'll put this panel or whatever this is, a cover over here on top, and then get those clips to put all the clips back in. I'll let you do that. I'm gonna do it off camera. So that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Hey, what's up, guys? I want to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good.